guys, long time no see. I know it's been like forever since I uploaded a video. I know that my life has been so busy these past few weeks, so I didn't have a chance to film in a video. I'm just too tired, you know. So but no worries, I'm back now, and today's video is going to be a beauty haul video. Yay! Yeah, so I'm so pretty much excited to do this video because I think I got these products maybe 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I did a little shopping from Etude House and also online, so I hope you like this video, and if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So the first product that I'm going to be showing is from Etude House. Yes, I went to Etude House and I found something really that interests me. So this is what I bought from Etude House. I picked up some lip color from Etude House, and I only picked up 2 colors from them. This is their color lips fit. I think this is a color tint, maybe. It's not lipstick, but it's more like of a color tint. I got 2 shades. First one is the shade in, where's that shade? This one that I'm holding right now is called PK002 Silhouette Fit Pink. That's color, and it's so darn pretty. And the next color is PK001 Magical Pink. It's so pretty. I like it so much. I swatched it there, and it was so amazing. Actually, it's so pretty, pigmented and so pretty color. Let me show it to you how it looks like. Oh, and this smells, wow, fantastic. Smells like watermelon. See? So this is the PK001, and the other one is PK002, which is, what's that? Color Silhouette Pink. So this is Silhouette Pink. It's more brighter pink, actually. It's so darn pretty. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, I love this. And this is more of a color tint to the lips, and the texture of this is amazing. It's so creamy, and yeah, I like it. It's so pretty, right? I love this color tint from Etude House. It does not dry your lips, and it's a plus because it's not, unlike most lip tint, I believe that it makes your lips a little drier. So but this one has a really different consistency into it, and as you can see, it's not glossy, but it's so creamy. I like it. Oh my god, I totally recommend this. If you want to buy this, go get it, girl. It's amazing. So the next, so let's just wipe that out of our hand. So as you can see here, I still have a swatch from my Fascio pencil eyeliner. Soon I'm gonna be doing a review on the Fascio pencil eyeliner. It's so amazing, you guys. As you can see, I'm trying to rub it with my makeup remover wipe, but it's not coming off. It's so amazing. But soon I'm gonna do a review on that, so please do watch out for that. And then, so let's keep on moving with our Etude House haul. So the next product that I picked up is their teardrop liner. Yeah, this is a very fun liquid eyeliner. It's very sparkly. I think there are 4 variations on this eyeliner. It's a pretty eyeliner. It's not your typical eyeliner actually. This is the eyeliner, and the shade that I got is in, what shade? Color number 4BE101. Yeah, that's just how, what it says. Just in numbers. Yeah, that's BE101. And it's so darn pretty. It's a eyeliner that you put here on your teardrop area so that it brightens your eyes, and I love it. I'm so excited. So let me swatch it for you guys. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's so shiny and sparkly. I love it. Can you see it? Wow, see how pretty that is. I'm excited to use it under eye, especially if I'm doing a more of a Korean type makeup look. So if you want to check this out, please do. I totally recommend it. It's so pretty, you guys. And then the next product that I also pick up from Etude House is this one. It's their Play 101 pencil. They have a very wide range of colors. I think this type of pencil, they have eyeliners and also lip liners on this. So I got the one in blue. This is aqua blue, I believe, and I'm wearing it right now. It's so pretty. I love it. But the actual name of the product, it does not says here what exactly the actual name of the product. It just says number 37. But it's just a pretty aqua blue colored pencil eyeliner. And let me swatch it for you. It's so creamy. Can you see it? Oh my god, so pretty, right? And then I think this is the two last products that I got from Etude House. So this one is, I don't know, this feels weird. I think this is more of a creamy type eyeshadow, and it's shimmery. It's so beautiful. I promise. It was so beautiful. And I picked up the color, what's it called? PK001. Yeah, it just has the same color from the lip tint that I got, PK001. And it's so creamy. The consistency of this is so amazing. It's creamy, buttery. And let's go ahead and swatch it. Wow. So sparkly. This type of, yeah, this one here. But I think it's not showing too much on the camera, but I promise that it's so pretty. I totally recommend this from Etude House. The one that I just don't like from Etude House, I guess, is their BB creams, or their, yeah, that's I am not a very fanatic of their BB creams, because it gives me a more of a grayish tone to it. It does not brighten my face. But other than that, their lipstick, their eyeshadows, and what else, pencils are great. So you have to check this out, guys, from Etude House. And then I also got a bronzing powder from them. Yes, because I feel like my Canmake contouring powder is a little more, I don't know, I just don't feel like it so much. I just, feel like I needed something new. So I saw this one, and I haven't tried this, and I'm excited to try this. And the color that I got, there are two color variations for their shading powders, or you say bronzer or contouring powders. The one that I got is is this is the darker. There are two shades. The other one was a little lighter, and this one is a little darker. So the shade is number 5BR402. Yeah, it says Etude House Face Color Corset. Yeah, that's it. That's just how they name their products in numbers. I think it's easier for them if they just name it like that. But I just wish that they would name their products. Other cosmetic brands, they give cute names to their products, if that's what I mean. And then if you shop at Etude House, usually they give you free samples or brushes. Yes. Whoa. Yes, they do. They always do that. And I think I still bought something from Etude House. Yeah. This one. I wanted to try their nose pack. I just bought one because I don't know if this works or not. I'm just pretty curious on how this works. I haven't tried any Korean brand nose packs before. I always use Beauty pore strips. Yes, love it. So I just only pick up one, and then like I've said, whenever every time I go, I don't know if it applies to all Etude House's store, but they always give you free brushes or maybe some moisturizer or something every time you shop at their store. So this time I got a cheek brush. The last time they gave me a mini foundation brush, and this time it's cheek blush and some sample moisturizer. So I love it. Thank you, Etude House. So then I went to the next counter and I saw this eyeshadow palette, and it really catches my eyes because it was so bright. Like, boom! Can you see that? It's from LA Colors. It's very cheap actually. Yeah, for this how many colors that you have, but it's so bright. I don't have a palette that has this type of color. I usually have neutrals like that, the colors that you can use anywhere every day, but this one is exciting because it's the summertime and you could get away with these colors during the summer, right? So I don't know, I have not watched it on my hands yet. I don't know what would be the how does this eyeshadow feels, but let's try. So I think I'm gonna swatch it. Where? Whoa! It's crazy! Oh my god, I did not expect it. It's pretty pigmented, you guys. It's from LA Colors. I think I saw this. Yeah, LA Colors is widely available in the Philippines and so darn cheap. Oh, I think I'm gonna be liking this. It's pretty pigmented, actually. Let's watch another color. I think, yeah, this green one. Oh my gosh! My man's blown away by this guy. Oh my god, it's so cheap and very pigmented, as you can see. I have nothing to say with this palette. It's so cheap and pretty pigmented. I'm excited. And then I went shopping online. I went to Amazon. I shop online at Amazon because that's the easiest way to shop online, I guess. So what I pick up at Amazon is the Tridong. I haven't opened this yet. This is my first time actually opening this. I don't know, but I've seen a lot of reviews on this eyeshadow on YouTube. So, ching ching, I got the revealed palette from Coastal Sands. Yeah, I got the revealed 2 and revealed 3 because I did not got the original reveal because I think it has the same colors with my Naked original, and this one has more of the same color with Naked 3, and I wanted that because I don't want to buy naked eyeshadows anymore because it's too pricey, and I don't I it's so pricey, and I just don't feel like it. It's not worth your money actually. So yeah, I'm not gonna buy that. So what I've seen on YouTube and online, this is pretty good palette, they say. But I don't know. I need to test it for myself, of course, and see for myself if it really is that. So I'm gonna open. It's still in plastic. So this is what it looks like. This is the Reveal 2 palette, and it's, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is the Reveal 2, and where's the other one? Reveal 3. Yeah, amazing colors. It looks not quite the same, but it has, yeah, pretty, but not exactly the same colors, but I like it. It has matte and shimmer. Reveal 3 has more of a darker colors into it, and I think this has more similar colors with the Lorac Pro 2 palette, so that's why I bought the Reveal 3. And then I wanted the dupe for the Urban Decay Naked 3, so that's why I bought Reveal 2. So it's so pretty. I'm excited. It's way cheaper than the Naked one. I bought mine, so I bought mine, and it was, how much was it? I guess more than twice the price. Yeah, this is just more than half the price of it. It's so darn cheap compared to the Naked one, and I love it. You have, how many colors do we have here? I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 11, 20 colors, and the naked palettes, which you only get these colors here, so it's pretty valuable for your money. So let's try and swatch it. Yeah, let's try this color. Oh, it's creamy. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm starting to loving this. So I guess if you want to see a full swatch of this colors from the Reveal palettes, just please check out my blog post. I'll be posting some swatches there, so hope you check it out. I will leave a link on the description bar below for you to check out my blog. Oh, as you can see, I swatch it on my arms, and it's so pretty. I love it. Yeah, can't beat the price. It's so cheap. Can't beat it, man. I totally recommend this palette, and I cannot wait to play with it. Yeah, this is perfect for bridal bridal looks, and this is salsa, so I cannot wait to play with this. And then I also got another Pro Longwear concealer from MAC. Yeah, because I believe that I've been loving my Pro Longwear concealer. Yeah, it really lives to its claim that it's not gonna crease under your eye, and you know that feeling when you have your favorite from before, like my Misha under eye brightener. I love it so much, and I told myself that, oh my gosh, this is my holy grail concealer, and I love it so much. It's the perfect concealer. Well, but when I got the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, everything's changed. I feel so guilty because I cannot go back to my Misha under bright concealer. I'm so sorry, Misha, but I love my MAC Pro Longwear concealer. It's quite expensive, but it really would last you a very long time. You just really need a very little amount of it here, just to cover your entire under eye area. And this time I got the shade NC15. This is a little lighter. Yeah, NC15. It's the one that I got first was the NW20. It's more on the pinky side of the concealer, pinky undertone, and this one is more on the yellow side. So I want something to brighten my under eye somebody else's, so I bought the more of a yellow tone one whenever I feel those times that I wanted a more of a yellow undertone concealer. And then I think the last product that I get was these beautiful lashes from Cherry Blossom. It's made from 100% human hair. Yeah, and I'm wearing one right now. It's so darn pretty. Yeah, I love it. It's very long and it applies so easily, and it does not pokes my the inner part of my eye here. It's a pretty good lashes, and it's very cheap compared to Ardell. Actually, I wanted to purchase Ardell lashes, the Demi Wispy one, because I really been wanting to buy those because because what I've seen in YouTube, everybody is wearing that, and it looks so great on the eyes. I want something that is some lashes because I am an fake eyelashes, false eyelashes junkie. So, but it's a little pricey. But compared to Ardell lashes in the Philippines, it's very pricey. Yeah, I don't know why, but this one works as well as Ardell, but half the price cheap. So I have a good buy, and I bought 4. Yeah, and if you just take care of your lashes, it could really practically last you for a very long time. So I guess that's all my haul for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you already tried some of these products, please do let me know in the comment section below what you think of these products if you have tried it already. And if you want me to review some of the products that I've shown on this video, on this haul, please also let me know in the comment section below. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you've liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. So I guess that's all it, and I hope to see you next time. Have a blessed day to you all, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.